I'm out here at one of my favorite campgrounds, Botna Bend Campground near Hancock, Iowa, little tiny town. I came out here today because it was forecast to be really hot, mid 90s, high humidity, and I just didn't feel like going out in the middle of the woods and sweating my butt off. So I thought I'd come out here and enjoy the shade, but as soon as I got set up, what happens? It rains. That's fine by me. I set up my van to sleep in tonight, and I want to work on the ventilation problem that I had sleeping in the Walmart parking lot last time. As you can see, I put up a screen door on the rear double doors in the back of the van, and I have one for the side of the van too for the sliding door. Unfortunately, I was busy all week and didn't have a chance to work on it, but I thought I'd do it here today. It's my last week of summer. After next week, school starts. My summer's officially over. So to celebrate, we're gonna have a really good dinner tonight. Surf and turf action, Japanese style. I brought my Japanese gas yakiniku stove. We're gonna grill up thin slices of ribeye steak and some summer vegetables and a few shrimp, and have a Japanese soy dipping sauce to enjoy it over some rice. Other than that, we're just gonna sit around and enjoy the day and just enjoy this rain. It's peaceful. As you can hear, it's loud inside the van, but that's okay. I love this county-owned campground. The children playing, families sitting around the campfire. I can already smell hamburgers and hot dogs in the air. It's one of those nostalgic Americana things that I really do enjoy. And I haven't done it in a while. I haven't been here for over a year. Let's have some wine, shall we? It really looks like it's going to rain again. Bottle of Z. Alexander Brown, uncaged, their proprietary red blend. And it has a snowy owl on it. And you're right, I bought it just because of that. Here it is. Cheers. Oh, that's yummy. I'm going to go ahead and prep my veggies and my meat. Yellow summer squash. Ready. Prep is really easy for this style of cooking. Just slice what you're going to eat, and then you cook it right at the table, and you eat it. I'm going to oil down the grates a little bit. All right. I think we're ready to start cooking. I used to love this as a kid, being able to cook my own food at the table. I'm going to start off with the veggies. They take a little bit longer. Veggies are on. Yep, rice is done. Put that in my bowl. Let's start off with some steak. Hello. People are so friendly. Throw on a shrimp or two. And then when it's done, you just dip it in this dipping sauce. It's a soy-based dipping sauce. It has sesame oil in it and garlic and ginger and sugar, so it's sweet. You just eat it. You eat it as you cook it. I don't want to overcook my steak, so. All right, I think I'm going to go ahead and start. Start with some zucchini. And some yellow squash. See how I did. Itadakimasu. Mmm. So simple. Morning. Oh, I already had a shower this morning. I don't know why I'm so tickled by that. Going camping and having a shower is a real treat. See, we're having yogurt with granola and blackberries and some cherries on the side. Good breakfast. And it's a little humid this morning. It's cool, but it's humid. It rained a lot last night. Those thunderstorms were strong. Every time I camp in a public campground like this, some of my viewers give me some crap because it's not wilderness camping. I guess it's not masculine enough. I love wild camping, make no doubt about that. I'll never stop doing it as long as I'm physically able to do it. But I also have a soft spot in my heart for these public campgrounds. For me, it's one of the few remaining cultural artifacts of Americana. It has virtually been left unchanged for decades. Sure, there's some improvements with electricity, modern facilities, what have you. But for the most part, at its core, people still come here just to be outside and enjoy the outdoors. And a place like this is filled with positive energy. And it's for that reason I hope to always come to these campgrounds and enjoy myself. And I can see myself coming here even after I'm physically no longer able to go wild camping. Thanks for joining me on this little adventure. I hope you enjoyed it as much as I did. And until I see you next time, take care of yourself, and I'll see you later.